Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Excel is waiting for another application to complete an OLE action. First method is open Excel. Click File, click Options. Click Advance. Check Ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange DDE. Second method is open Excel. Click File, click Options. Click Add-ins. Click Go. Uncheck all add-ins one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.